Hello and welcome to my channel JEE Maths PYQs. If JEE Maths feels difficult, you are in the right place. Here we simplify important PYQs with easy explanations and step-by-step solutions to build speed and confidence. Let's get started with today's topic. Today's topic is Binomial Theorem. This or similar questions appeared in JEE Main 2022, 23 and 24. This is a series involving product of coefficients, these are the coefficients, and variable squares, these are the variable squares. NTA frequently targets this type of series, and in this question the sum of this series is given to be 2 power m into 3 power n into 5 power k, where m, n and k are natural numbers, and we have to find the sum m plus n plus k. First, we will identify and write the general term of the series. Say S equals summation r square, because there are squares of natural numbers here, into 15 cr, the coefficients given here. Now we have standard binomial coefficient property to simplify the term, which is RNCR equals n into n minus 1 CR minus 1. For confirmation, let us first verify this property by taking R equals 3 and n equals 5. So 3 into 5 C3 will become 3 into 5 C3 is nothing but 5 C2. 3 into 5 into 4 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, gives us 30. Now we will put the values in the right hand side. So 5 into 5 minus 1 4 C, R is 3. 3 minus 1 2 equals 5 into 4 into 3 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, gives us 30. Since left hand side equals right hand side, this property is verified. We have r square here, so we write this r square as r square equals r into r. So we apply this property twice. Number 1, r into 15 cr equals, according to this property, 15 into 15 minus 1 14 c r minus 1. Number 2, let us write r square as r into r minus 1 plus r in linear terms, so that S becomes summation from r equals 1 to 15 of r into r minus 1 plus r for this r square into 15 cr. This becomes summation r equals 2 from 15 r into r minus 1 into 15 cr. Please note, we have taken r equals 2 here instead of this one, because in that case this will become 0. Further, plus summation r equals 1 to 15 r into 15 cr. We have r into r minus 1 n cr equals n into n minus 1 n minus 2 c r minus 2. This property also we can verify by taking r equals 4. So this will be 4 into 4 minus 1 3 into taking n equals 6 6 c 4 equals 6 into 5 into n minus 2, that is 6 minus 2 4 c, r is 4 4 minus 2 2. Now this is 4 3s are 12 and 6 c4 is 6 c2. 6 into 5 upon 2 gives 2 ones are 2 threes are 180, and this right hand side becomes 6 5s are 30 into 4 into 3 upon 2. 2 twos are 4. This also is 180. So both left hand side and right hand side being the same, this property is also verified. Accordingly, S becomes summation r from 2 to 15 n into n minus 1 into 15 minus 2 c r minus 2 plus summation r from 1 to 15, n into 15 minus 1, c r minus 1. Here we have to use another property, summation from k equals 0 to m, mck equals 2 power m. This property can be easily verified. We have binomial expansion of x plus y power m as summation from k equals 0 to m, mck x power m minus k y power k. Now by putting x equals y equals 1, we get 2 power m equals summation from k equals 0 to m of mck 1 power 1 minus k 1 power k, summation from k equals 0 to m, mck equals 2 power m, hence verified. Now we will use this property here and here. So s will become this n into n minus 1 into, for this 15 minus 2, c r minus 2. According to this property, we will write 2 power this 15 minus 2, 13, plus for the second summation, we write this n into, by applying this property again over here, we write 2 power 15 minus 1, 14, n into n minus 1 into 2 power 13 plus n into 2 power 13 into 2, taking n into 2 power 13 common into n minus 1 plus this 2. So s will be finally n into this n plus 1 2 power 13. Now for n equals 15, we write s as 15 into 15 plus 1, 16 into 2 power 13. For 15, 3 into 5 into, for 16, 2 power 4 into 2 power 13, 2 power 17 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. So this is summation s. Now this summation is given to be this 2 power m, 3 power n, 5 power k. Comparing with this, we get m equals 17, n equals 1, k equals 1. So m plus n plus k will be 17 plus 1 plus 1, 19. Hence, the correct answer option here is B, 19. This one here. I hope this video helped you understand the concept more clearly. If you enjoyed learning, please like, share, and subscribe to JEE Maths PYQs for more simple and effective JEE Maths walkthroughs. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing.